Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Then insert that ponytail inside the upper gap. Then repeat the same process of making half ponytails and then inserting it through the gaps of the upper part. Do it 3 consecutive times. Then take the lower part, divide it into 2 and tie plaits with both the parts of the hair. Be consistent and clean with your work. Then crisscross the plaits and then carefully clip the plaits upwards and decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail which is plaited. Then take small sections of the hair and keep inserting those hair inside the plaited parts of your hair. Then take the rest over part of the hair and keep tying it in the form of a ponytail and then secure it properly with a back pin. Then take 2 parts of the hair and keep tying knots. Tie it with a rubber band. Then take another part of the hair and repeat the same process of tying knots and then tying it with the help of a rubber band. You should repeat the same process until needed, and then when you are done, you can decorate it with your wish. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Then take one part of the hair and then clip it inside. Then take both the parts of your hair and tie plaits with both the parts, just like this. Be very consistent and clear. You should be fast to get results quickly. Then roll the hair upwards and insert it inside the gaps of the upper part, and then take the lower part, clip it inside and then decorate it as your wish. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a plait and then keep taking hair from every angle to insert it inside the plaited parts, and then taking all the hair together, tie it with a rubber band. Then take the lower part of the ponytail part and then keep tying plaits with that part. The ponytail or the pigtail can look fluffy so that it gives you a meshy look and a bold look. Then roll that ponytail or pigtail around the upper part of the hair in a circular motion and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin. One part of the hair, roll it in the form of 2 parts and then rotate it circularly around the upper part of your hair just like this. Then take the other remaining part of the hair and then carefully roll it around the circular part just like this. Then take the hair from the other part as well and repeat the same process and then carefully clip it in with the help of a bobby pin. You can also decorate it. Take 2 parts of the hair and then tie plaits. The plaits may look thin just as shown in the video. Carefully do the plaitings. Then take one part of the hair from one side of the plait and other side as well, and then repeat the same process of tying pigtails. Then 3 parts of the hair from the middle as well and repeat the same process of tying pigtails. This time the pigtails should look fluffy by pulling out few strands from the side. Now you can decorate it. Thank you for watching.